back to my channel. So today is grocery shopping day, so I'm going to make a menu and a list of things that we need to buy. I like to go over my cookbooks and also Pinterest, and I also like to write down different ways we could use the food that we buy, just so nothing goes to waste. Alright, so for these next 2 weeks I got this book, and I'm going to make a couple recipes from there, as well as some recipes from Pinterest that I found, and also some things that are just sides. So I always like to have a salad already made, that's make ahead salad that you could just grab from the container and just put it next to anything else that you're cooking. We also do want some potato soup this time, and I have some rice paper rolls, as well as we have a packet of sushi wrap or nori that we need to use. So we'll make some vegan sushi, we'll make some vegan spring rolls, and I think I'm going to make, for the make ahead salad, I'm going to make a Southwest pasta salad, and I'm going to see what else I can add to this. Okay, so a lot of recipes, well, I make my own dressings as well. So I'm gonna make a Caesar dressing and the Southwest dressing for that salad. So I'm gonna soak some cashews. So as I get ready, I already cleaned the refrigerator and everything is set. Okay, so we got home just now. We went to PetSmart and we noticed, well, we learned today that Crowley's food has been recalled. So we are trying new food for her. Fingers crossed, she's very picky, but so far so good. And we're so hungry, so Don right now is making Impossible burgers. So we're going to have them with Trader Joe's ciabatta bread, as well as Trader Joe's vegan cheddar cheese slices. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and eat because we're starving, and then I will come back to the kitchen to meal prep, or I will meal prep tomorrow. But this is the cheddar cheese we're eating on our burgers, and I have all the veggies and all the fruit that we got. We didn't get fruit, only blueberries, but all the veggies are soaking all the veggies and all the only blueberries that we got are soaking here. So once they're done, I will rinse them out and I will put them away in their containers or reusable bags so they can last. And then I will meal prep tomorrow or tomorrow. Okay, so I totally didn't meal prep yesterday. So I'm gonna do it really quick today. We have people coming to work on the bathroom today. On the ceiling, so I'm going to make the dressings right now really fast, as fast as I can, and then I will make today the Southwest pasta salad, and then for dinner we'll have some, I think some potatoes like in the air fryer with the pasta salad, or maybe some spring rolls, so we'll see. So I'm gonna make the dressings now and put the pasta in the hot pot, the water boiling, so you get ready, and then I can get that done. And yeah, that's all.